糖拖浪花对咱的农作物的生产甲结籽有真大的帮助。在英国有科学家研究热带地区气候的变迁对糖拖的影响，结果发现讲，因为地球暖化的关系，加上甲林地改造是农地人为等等的因素，破坏糖拖自然的栖地，致使糖拖的数量减少，授粉嘛受到影响，这是直接冲击到农作物的生产量。
学店4回避补充营养，花是金昆糖来倒沙港团部回粉。伦敦大学学院甲自然史博物馆的研究人员，这边将授粉昆糖的研究扩大到蝴蝶、加糖、河神一个鸭。
We're seeing reductions of around a half in the abundance of insect biodiversity. What was particularly striking in this study is that those combined effects of agriculture and climate change are even stronger for pollinating insects than they are for insects overall. And so where we are farming and in places that have seen a lot of climate change, seeing the emergence of new climates, we're seeing reductions in pollinator biodiversity of over 60%.
全世界昆虫有60万种，研究团队收集北半球甲南半球，每加100个国家3000种昆虫10年来的资料，并且研究高效注重伫咧种可可甲咖啡等经济作物的热带地区，包括非洲、拉丁美洲、亚洲、西欧甲美洲部分地区。
While the amount of warming has been greater in northern and southern countries, so places like Northern Europe, the Arctic, the places that are seeing the emergence of novel climates are mostly in tropical countries, because those are places where historically there's been less. There's less variation between the seasons in temperature. There's less variation from year to year, and so it's in these places that biodiversity is being exposed to new climatic conditions.
专家讲，就算是温度只是略略变化，不过对热带地区的影响会真明显。
Loss of pollinators to put at risk the production of crops, and this will probably mean that the yields of crops reduce. And so we might need more land, we might need to put in sort of expensive alternatives to animal pollination. So
不过专家也讲，授粉媒介减少的原因之一是人类将森林改造农地。本来森林会当保护授粉昆虫，不过当农作物的产量若减少，就更加侪林地会变做农地，授粉的昆虫也得减少，就安尼是一直恶性循环。公司新闻新乐培编辑。